Something strange is happening 40 light years away. A planet so hot it could melt metal, and it's sending signals. Scientists at NASA say it's not aliens, but what they found is almost crazy. This is the story of 55 Cancri e, the real life Hell planet. This planet shouldn't even exist. 55 Cancri e is about 8 times heavier than Earth and orbits its star in just 18 hours. That means a year there lasts less than one Earth day. It's so close to the sun that one side is always facing it. Forever day, forever night. Dayside temperatures can hit 2,400 degrees, not enough to melt iron. The other side still over 1,000 degrees. Astronomers call it the Hell planet because it's basically a world made of fire, rock and maybe even diamonds. It's one of the most extreme planets ever found, and now it's doing something that no one else can even explain. It's flashing, but not regularly. Using powerful telescopes, scientists saw something weird. The planet sometimes gives off a bright light when it passes behind its star, and sometimes nothing at all. Those light changes are signals, not radio messages but visible flashes. Something on the planet keeps changing, as if it's turning itself off and on again. For years nobody knew why. Some thought it was just lava oceans glowing, others thought it was just a data error. But now new evidence says the planet might actually be breathing. This world grows and loses an atmosphere. A new study suggests that volcanoes on the planet shoot out gas, creating a temporary atmosphere. But the star's heat and wind are so powerful it blows the atmosphere away within hours. Then the volcanoes erupt again and it comes back. This could explain why the planet's brightness keeps changing. Imagine Earth getting a whole new sky every day, then losing it by sunset. That's what's happening on this planet. So what would it look like if you could stand on the planet? The planet might have rivers of lava, diamond mountains and fiery storms that move molten rock from one side to another. It's a carbon-rich world, so deep under its crust carbon could turn into diamond. It's basically a planet made of metal, lava and gems, but 100% deadly. It's so extreme it makes Venus look like a vacation spot. So why are scientists obsessed with a planet we can't live on? Studying 55 Cancri e helps scientists understand what happens to planets that get too close to their stars. It shows how heat, gravity and radiation can completely change a world, melting it, stripping away air and even turning it into something new. It might help us understand what could happen to Earth if our atmosphere ever become unstable. Every time we find a new world like this, we learn more about how fragile and lucky Earth really is. So we're about to see it up close. The James Webb Telescope is now looking directly at 55 Cancri e. It will measure how thick its atmosphere really is, how hot its surface gets, and if it truly is breathing in real time. If the James Webb Telescope confirms it, this would be the first ever planet caught losing and regrowing its atmosphere. That would change how we think about rocky planets and maybe even how life starts or ends on them. So a planet that rains lava, glows like fire and breathes on its own atmosphere might just help us understand our own home. 55 Cancri e, the Hell planet, reminds us that space is wild, unpredictable and sometimes more alive than we think. What do you think those signals mean? Lava, atmosphere or something else entirely? Could this be Mustafar? Could this be the battle where Anakin and Obi-Wan had? Let me know your thoughts on this story in the comments below. On the 7th of December I'm giving away a full tray of Labubus. All you need to do to win is subscribe and like, comment and share the video. The winner will be announced on the 7th of December. Good luck.